works of many gifted, sensitive songwriters.
Oh. So you're just a big liar.
Sit back down. All right, come on, Stewie, let's go home. Stewie, what the hell are you doing? She's a fraud, Brian. A fraud. She didn't write any of the songs. Well, so that's the case with a lot of singers.
Sí,
It's a very
Perle.
common industry practice. Then you're all a bunch of frauds, aren't you? A bunch of frauds and charlatans. You want to be a puppet? Then sing me a nice puppet. Come on, spread your tiny wings and fly away. Come on, man, sing along. You know it. You didn't write it, but you know it, bitch. What I love forever will come true. And if I could, you know that I would fly away with you.
Hey, Mac, you here for the expired hot dogs?
No, Carl, I'm looking for Chris. I looked everywhere and I can't find him.
I haven't seen him, but I'll keep an eye out.